This may be hard to believe, but the wildlife in your backyard is used to you. Oh, the things I do for science. This is my backyard. This summer I've been stuck at home a lot getting to know my neighbors, mostly furry and feathered. The other day I was moving my kayak when a hairy woodpecker landed on the suet feeder, just 8 feet away. He didn't even seem to care at all that I was right there. So I said to myself, okay, apparently we know each other. How close can I get before he does care? The answer was 4 feet. So what about all these other birds? Well, for chickadees, they were okay at about 6 feet. 3 feet, not so much. Nuthatches, same thing. So it's time for science. I put up a table and chair right next to the primary bird feeder and sat just 2 feet away. Nothing. I moved back to 3 feet and the chickadees and nuthatches started coming in. The hairy and downy woodpeckers came in, chowing on the suet just 3 feet over my head, close enough to touch. Well, after an hour of this, they don't seem to care at all. So I'm going to move up a foot. The mourning doves don't trust me. For the first hour, they wouldn't even come in the yard. Now they're starting to move up. Finally, I moved up again. Now my face is just a foot from the feeder and I'm reaching out, touching it. Everyone's decided I'm not a threat. The birds are just walking around my fingers. At this point to them, I'm just scenery. If you ever wonder what they think about you, now you know.